Hey y'all, we did pretty well on the new ticket, so I thought we'd give them another go. I picked up another $200 million cash, ticket number 33, and I've got two of the $25 million payouts, number 35 and 36. All right, let's see what we can find this time. All right, stack of bills, instant, star symbol is a win all, or just a regular old match and win. I'd love to find the star symbol. We've got a 30, 12, 26, and a 40. Hey, got okay, stack of it's like that star? No, it's an auto win. Haven't seen the stack yet, so that's cool. 3, anything else? 25. Threw me for a minute there. 7, 15, 1. It was wishful thinking that it was the win all. Always cool to find the symbols though. Alright, let's see what we got under the auto win. We have got, oh, $20 winner, very nice. Wow, that paid for the session. Can we find another win? That's great. Nice little win. Well, if we can find just one more win, it'll be profitable. Now it's just free play. All right, 34, 8, 18, and a 3. All right, let's find the star symbol to follow it up. That'd be great. $14, 25, 33, 6, 12. Nothing on 36. All right, let's see if we can't find something on the cash explosion here. All right, match win, money bag is instant, 2 and a 20 times symbol. Got a 6, 10, 31, 21, 38, 30, 39. Now this has a very low payback per pack, so the wins are few and far between, but when you find one, they should be pretty decent. Anything? Last row, 15. 11, 8, 32, and 16. Well, not going to complain. Break-even session with a $20 win. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a great lucky rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later.